मैं सब कुछ ठीक कर दूंगा। I will set everything right. I will set everything right. जाओ किसी और को ढूंढो। Go and find someone else. Go and find someone else. मुझे पता था तू खुश होगा। I knew you would be happy. I knew you would be happy. तुमने राम को देखा है कहीं? Have you seen Ram anywhere? Have you seen Ram anywhere? कहाँ फंसा दिया तुमने मुझे? Where have you got me entrapped? Where have you got me entrapped? वे लोग इसी लायक है। That's what they deserve. That's what they deserve. मैं बाइक चलाना सीख रहा हूँ। I am learning how to ride a bike. I am learning how to ride a bike. वह 2 घंटे में वापस आएगा। He will be back in 2 hours. He will be back in 2 hours. मुझे वहां ले चलो। Get me there. Get me there. मुझे वहां पहुंचवा देना। Get me dropped there. Get me dropped there. मुझे भी साथ ले चलो। Take me along too. Take me along too. मैं तुम्हें भी नहीं जानता। I don't know you either. I don't know you either. मैं तुम्हें जानता तक नहीं। I don't even know you. I don't even know you. मैंने भी खाना नहीं खाया है। I haven't eaten either. I haven't eaten either. वो अब तुमसे बात नहीं करेगा। He will no longer talk to me. He will no longer talk to me. भगवान जाने वे लोग कहाँ हैं। God knows where they are. God knows where they are. वो एकाध दिन में आ जाएंगे। He will come in a day or so. He will come in a day or so. क्या उसने उसको रुलाया? Did he make her cry? Did he make her cry? कुछ भी हो जाए हम ऐसा नहीं करेंगे। No matter what, we won't do so. No matter what, we won't do so. चाहे जो हो मैं मुंह नहीं खोलूंगा। Come what may, I won't say anything. Come what may, I won't say anything. उसे एक डॉक्टर के रूप में जाना जाता है। He is known as a doctor. He is known as a doctor. क्या तुम्हारी बाईं ओर कोई है? Is there anyone on your left? Is there anyone on your left? कुत्ते ने उसे फिर काट लिया है। The dog has bitten him again. The dog has bitten him again. मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है। There is nothing in my hand. There is nothing in my hand. वे यहाँ सही सलामत है। They are safe and sound here. They are safe and sound here. मेरे साथ अक्सर ऐसा होता है। It often happens to me. It often happens to me. गोलमाल बातें मत करो मुझसे। Don't equivocate with me. Don't equivocate with me. ऐसे ही किसी के कहने पर मत आया करो। Don't fall for anyone's trick just like that. Don't fall for anyone's trick just like that. जल्दी का काम शैतान का। Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. मुझे लू लग गई है। I have got a sunstroke. I have got a sunstroke. एक मरता हुआ आदमी कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता। A dying man never lies. A dying man never lies. वह न अच्छी है न बुरी। She is neither good nor bad. She is neither good nor bad. यह तो रोज की बात है। It's a usual thing. It's a usual thing. मैं कोई पियक्कड़ नहीं हूँ। I am not a drunkard. I am not a drunkard. मुझे मजबूर किया गया था उसे मारने को। I was forced to kill him. I was forced to kill him. सब्र का फल मीठा होता है। Patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue. तुमसे झूठ कहा गया है। You have been told a lie. You have been told a lie. क्या तुम्हारे आगे कोई है? Is there anyone ahead of you? Is there anyone ahead of you? मुझे कुछ भी सूझ नहीं रहा है. I am completely out of ideas. I am completely out of ideas. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलता हूँ. I will catch you later. I will catch you later. अब मैंने अपना मन बदल लिया है. Now I have changed my mind. Now I have changed my mind. हमें दूसरों का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. We shouldn't make fun of others. We shouldn't make fun of others. उसकी बुरी नजर है. She has the evil eye. She has the evil eye. मैं बुरी नजर में यकीन नहीं करता. I don't believe in the evil eye. I don't believe in the evil eye. भगवान उसे बुरी नजर से बचाए. May God save him from the evil eye. May God save him from the evil eye. 100 बात की एक बात. Long story short. Long story short. कोई अगर मगर नहीं. No ifs and buts. No ifs and buts. तुम इसके चारों ओर क्यों घूम रहे हो? Why are you moving around it? Why are you moving around it? वह चाहता है कि कोई उसे गोद में ले ले. He wants someone to get him in the lap. He wants someone to get him in the lap. मुझे भी सूचित करते रहना. Keep me in the loop. Keep me in the loop. सिर पर घूंघट रखो. Put the veil on the head. Put the veil on the head. तुमने घूंघट क्यों नहीं डाला हुआ? Why haven't you put the veil on? Why haven't you put the veil on? तुम्हारा दुपट्टा फिसल रहा है. Your scarf is slipping. Your scarf is slipping. अभी दिल्ली दूर है. It is a far cry. It is a far cry. यह तुम्हें फायदा करेगा. It will do you good. It will do you good. इसे कूड़ेदान में डालो. Throw it in the dustbin. Throw it in the dustbin. पार्टी तो बनती है. A party is a must. A party is a must. इसी बात पर चाय हो जाए. This calls for tea. This calls for tea. ये कैसे किया जाता है? How is this done? How is this done? मैं बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling great. I am feeling great. मैं पार्क में टहलने गया था. I went for a walk in the park. I went for a walk in the park. अभी क्या समय हो रहा है? What time is it now? What time is it now? तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? मैं एक उपहार की तलाश में हूँ. I'm looking for a gift. I am looking for a gift. क्या मैं इसे बदल सकता हूँ? Can I exchange this? Can I exchange this? पेरिस के लिए टिकट कितने का है? How much is a ticket to Paris? How much is a ticket to Paris? मैं फ्लाइट बुक करना चाहता हूँ. I would like to book a flight. I would like to book a flight. अगली ट्रेन कितने बजे है? What time is the next train? What time is the next train? फ्लाइट कितनी लंबी है? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? आप जीविका के लिए क्या करते हैं? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? वह बहुत संस्कारी है. He is well mannered. He is well mannered. तुम्हें बुरी नजर लग जाएंगी. You will get an evil eye. You will get an evil eye. मैंने उसकी वाट लगवा दी. I made him put into dilemma. I made him put into dilemma. घर पर इंग्लिश कैसे सीखे? हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश एट होम। हाउ टू लर्न इंग्लिश एट होम। कभी कभी वह यहाँ आता है। He comes here off and on. He comes here off and on. अंतिम बार मैं उससे यहाँ मिला था। I met him here once for all. I met him here once for all. वह पागल हो गया है। He is out of his mind. He is out of his mind. हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा पढ़ना चाहिए। We should read more and more. We should read more and more. तुम मेरी बीवी बनने वाली हो। You are going to be my wife. You are going to be my wife. जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ वह शादीशुदा है। As far as I know, she is married. As far as I know, she is married. जल्दी क्या है, कुछ खा लो। What's the hurry? Eat something. What's the hurry? Eat something. फिलहाल मैं खाना बना रही हूँ। As of now, I'm cooking food. As of now, I'm cooking food. मुझे पता चला कि तुम आ रहे हो। I have come to know that you are coming. I have come to know that you are coming. चलो छोड़ो, मैं ये खुद कर लूंगा। Let's leave it, I will do it myself. Let's leave it, I will do it myself. अगर मैं कल आऊँ तो चलेगा? Is it okay if I come tomorrow? Is it okay if I come tomorrow? मुझे मदद करो अगर तुम कर सकते हो। Help me if you can. Help me if you can. कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं अपना काम कर लूंगा। Needless to say, I will do my work. Needless to say, I will do my work. बहुत हो गया, अब चुप हो जाओ। It's enough, now keep quiet. It's enough, now keep quiet. किसी भी कीमत पर मैं वहां नहीं जाऊंगा। At any cost, I will not go there. At any cost, I will not go there. मेरे पास समझाने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to explain. I don't have time to explain. मेरे पास खाने का समय नहीं है। I don't have time to eat. I don't have time to eat. उसे यकीन है कि मैं आऊंगा। He is sure that I will come. He is sure that I will come. गिलास में पानी डालो। Pour the water in the glass. Pour the water in the glass. मैं कोई वादा नहीं कर सकता। I can't commit anything. I can't commit anything. चलो अब हवा आने दो। Now give me my space. Now give me my space. उसे अपनी गलती मान लेनी चाहिए। He should confess his fault. He should confess his fault. फिर मेरी नींद टूट गई। Then my sleep was disturbed. Then my sleep was disturbed. यहाँ आने की क्या जरूरत थी? What was the need to come here? What was the need to come here? इसी बात का तो रोना है। That is the very thing of worrying. That is the very thing of worrying. मैंने चैन की सांस ली। I breathed the sigh of relief. I breathed the sigh of relief. देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया हूँ। Look what I have got for you. Look what I have got for you. हम काफी दूर निकल गए हैं। We have come a long way. We have come a long way. ये शर्म की बात है। It's a matter of shame. It's a matter of shame. तुम यहाँ के नहीं लगते। You don't seem to belong here. You don't seem to belong here. तुम खुद को संभालते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you gather yourself? Why don't you gather yourself? आसमान में बादल छाए हुए हैं। The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. चार्जर लगा दो। Plug in the charger. Plug in the charger. चार्जर निकाल दो। Plug out the charger. Plug out the charger. मुझे टोको मत यार। Don't interrupt me, buddy. Don't interrupt me, buddy. अब सब काम पर लग जाओ. Now everyone gets to work. Now everyone gets to work. मुझे मेरा हिस्सा दे दो. Just give me my share. Just give me my share. मैं तुम्हारी बात क्यों सुनूं? Why should I listen to you? Why should I listen to you? मेरी कार बहुत पेट्रोल पीती है. My car burns a lot of petrol. My car burns a lot of petrol. इसमें कोई शक नहीं. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it.